Well, yeehaw, everybody. Are you ready for my very first pumpkin patch reveal? Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Okies Eden. I'm going to show you the 3 pumpkins I just harvested. Just understand one thing, and this is what always amazes me about gardening in general. From that little seed created that right there. All of that. One seed. On that vine, I also have other pumpkins still growing, have not turned color yet, but I did want to show you the first 3. I do have one more that's almost there. I did not harvest that one. Here is the original pumpkin. This was the first one that showed up on Okies Eden. Very nice shape, nice color. This is going to be part of a contest in my area for somebody to guess the exact weight, and they win this pumpkin. This was the second pumpkin. A little bit bigger, a little bit rounder, but they grew so fast that one slipped down a little bit in between the pallet wood, and got that. So you could say, I guess, that pumpkin got back. The third one, and these all grew within a couple feet of each other, is this one. Decent shape, not perfectly round, but solid pumpkin. So that's it. Those are my first 3 pumpkins from Okies Eden pumpkin patch. And I thank everybody that's been following me since I planted them. This is truly the first year I've ever tried pumpkins. And I'm real excited because I still have more growing over here on the first original plants. And then you guys all know I have the 10 other plants over here growing. And then I just planted 3 over in that corner. So I still have a bunch of action going on as far as pumpkins. So stay tuned for that. Now I'm going to take you in the garden and explain what I'm going to do next with the pumpkin patch. So this is where those 3 were. I still have some little ones up in there. And of course, we have this one right here. You can see that little baby. This one here, I'm just waiting for the flower. Once that flower opens up, I'm going to manually pollinate that one, because I do have some male flowers over on that other plant. I can take care of this so this doesn't get missed. But in the meantime, now that I've taken these 3 out of this area, I can now remove this pallet, pull this out. I can mow this, I can till this, and I can go right through by the cucumbers with my tiller. And then this will be gone. This pallet here will move this way, and then I'll just continue to train this vine this way. That'll open up this whole area again. So that'll open up this one, and then probably tomorrow or the next day, I'll come out and do a video on that single there. But in the meantime, I'm going to do that one, but I'm also going to do this one here, because look at this. Look at this. That is the pumpkin that I manually pollinated, and it took. So that is really cool. So tomorrow I'll probably get that one, and I'll be watching on this one. And then I can actually move this pallet that way, train everything that way, so I can get in here and till all of this soil up also. And then what that does is that then opens all of this up now, all the way over to the rest of my garden, and then all the way around to my current, newest 3 pumpkins. These are growing great. Look at how big these have gotten already in just 5-6 days. All right, everybody, that'll be it for this video. Just wanted to do a short pumpkin patch update. You can see behind me, that grouping and this grouping is going to be the October pumpkin patch harvest. So stick around. Hope you like the 3 pumpkins I got to harvest. Hope you like to see the updates to the pumpkin patch and the rest of my garden. And I'll see you in the next one.